He does something truly extraordinary. He's looking for a place where a female can lay her eggs away from predators. Now he turns his attention to a female. If they're to mate successfully, they must hit the leaf simultaneously. After she's laid her eggs, he spreads his jaw and fins to help him cling on just long enough to fertilize them. But for him, it creates one final challenge. Out of the water, the eggs are in danger of drying out. Problem solved. With the female gone, he alone takes the responsibility for ensuring their eggs will stay wet until they hatch in a few days' time.